Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to open and read a secure email. Secure emails allow you to unlock and view encrypted messages from your practitioner. This ensures sensitive medical information remains confidential and accessible only to you. Access requires a unique PIN for security. Please note that secure emails also support regulatory compliance with specific laws. By using secure emails, practices can protect data, maintain trust, and safeguard communication integrity. You can access your secure email by email or SMS. Your secure PIN can also be sent to you in the same manner. However, if the PIN is predefined, your practitioner will have to share it with you. Let's start with the email option. You'll receive an email from your practitioner with a secure link. Click on the View Email button. Alternatively, copy and paste the link into your web browser. The secure email screen will open. Click the Request OTP button. A notification pop-up will confirm that the one-time PIN has been sent. You'll then receive an email with your OTP. Please note that every OTP is unique and a new one will be sent each time you request it. Enter the 6-digit PIN in the OTP field and click Submit. Your secure email will now open. Next, let's look at the SMS option. Same as before, you will receive an email with a secure link. Click View Email or copy and paste the link into your browser. The secure email screen will open and once again, you'll click Request OTP. You'll then receive your OTP via a text message. Enter the 6-digit PIN you received and click Submit. Your secure email will now open. Finally, let's cover the pre-shared PIN option. In this case, your practitioner or practice will provide you with a PIN in advance. Click the View Email button or copy and paste the secure link into your browser for the secure email screen to open. You will also note that a hint can also be added by the practitioner to help you remember the pre-shared PIN easier. Enter the supplied PIN into the OTP field and click Submit. Your secure email will now open. And that's how you open a secure email. With secure email, you can safely view confidential information while ensuring your medical data stays protected.